What's up, everybody? Do you remember me? This guy? Fluffy Gamer? The round one? It's been a while. Whole world's been closed down. Nothing's open. But it seems like stores are starting to open up. So what do you say? We go hit up some thrift stores. Heard the Goodwill over in Rancho Bernardo's open. Let's go check it out. And it's been a while since I've been inside you. Hi. Good. Thanks. Oh, we found the DVD section. Let's see if they got anything good in here. Some video games. Bioshock 2. The price tag on it. Star Rock limited edition. No price tag. Huh. No price tag. Maybe if I can set price somewhere. Oh, here we go. $3.99. Alright. I got some DS games. D-Game. GoldenEye. $3.99 each. Red Racer. Huh. Anything else? Looks like that. Ooh. Oh. Definitely getting this for the OGP. Yeah. Mr. Click and getting it. Picked up one item inside there. Show what I got. Inside the car. Alright guys, so just like I said, picked up one item inside there. I had to pick it up for $1.99. I got OGP a copy of Clicking! Nope, just kidding. Got something else. For $3.99, I picked up a pretty, it looks like it's a pretty uncommon game. Complete anyways, with the case and manual. But the game alone, just the game, goes for about $6. But if it's complete with the case, manual, artwork, it's going for about $22 to $25. Not that many out there. So I have a feeling it's pretty rare, complete. But I had to pick it up for $3.99, and that is a game for the Nintendo DS called The Bee Game. It is starring Maya the Bee. What's all the buzz? I don't know, but it's going up on the bay. What do you say we go hit up another thrift store? Let's do it. All right, we made it to the next spot of the day. Where are we at? Salvation Army. Let's go see what they got. Looks like we struck out inside there. Let's go see if we can find another thrift store. All right, well, it looks like there's no more thrift stores open for the day. Looks like they all close at 6 o'clock. It's after 6 o'clock right now. But a couple days ago, I did hit up the local Bookoff when I found out they had just recently opened back up. And I did find something in there. I had about 10 minutes when I got there because they close at 7. I got there at about 6:53. And I did find something inside there. So let's cut to the clip to where I show you what I found. Oh, yeah. Good old Bookoff is now open. They close at 7 o'clock now instead of 8. Got there just in time to score this bad boy. It's a pretty expensive game. How much did I pay for it? $7.99. It's missing the manual, but damn, I could still get like $70 for it. Woo, 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 woo! Not a bad find. Not a bad find. In fact, I went again the next day, and I found some more stuff. Check it out. Well, guess who's back at the Bookoff? That's right. Yo boy, the Fluffy Gamer. I had more time today. Found 3 items. First item I found was a new Super Mario for the Wii for $12.98. Not bad. It's going up on the bay. In fact, it's already available now. It could be yours for $24.99 plus shipping. Next thing I found was a DVD. Sold this one before a couple months ago for like $60. Apparently it's gone up and it's selling for over $100. What is that? It's a DVD called Thrift, starring Randy Quaid. Picked it up for $18. I'm gonna try and get close to $100 for this thing. I'll at least get 80. There's not many available. Check it out. Go to eBay, check it out. Thrift. And the last thing that I got, ran into a buddy of mine, the anonymous gamer. Yeah, anonymous gamer. Been a while since I called him by that. But anyways, he ended up finding this for me for $5. Brand new sealed. Apparently it's going for about $30. I'll probably put it at 25. It's all about the official Switch black wheels. So should be able to get $30 for that. I'll probably list it for 25 if anybody's interested. It's going up on the bay. Yeah, looks like Bookoff is hooking people up. So come on out to the local good old Bookoff. They got some stuff and they're open. But anyways, that's gonna do it for this week's Fluffy Quick Fix. Yeah, that's pretty much what it is. There's no pickup video. You saw what I got earlier at the Goodwill over in Rancho Bernardo. Got that Nintendo DS game. And then what I got the other day at the Bookoff. So that's gonna do it. It's been a while. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. But as always, I'm the Fluffy Gamer. And I'll see you guys. I don't know when the next one's gonna be, but it's been a while. It felt good to get out now that stores are opening up. But hopefully I will see you guys again soon. And I'll talk to you guys later. I gotta go. OGP's calling. Peace out. Hello? Hello? Are you awake? Hello? You want to go to Vegas? Hello? It's 1:30 in the morning. We could be there by 5 a.m. You want to go? No? Wake up, motherfucker! Hello? Hello? Motherfucker passed out! Well, I guess you don't want to play another game of Nintendo bowling. I know I beat you twice in a row. Is that why you pretend like you're asleep? You don't want me to beat you anymore? Because you know I'm the man at Nintendo bowling. Is that what it is? Is that what it is? Oh man. Motherfucker passed out. motherfucker! Go to bed. Wake up. Wake up. Go to bed. Go to bed. Go to bed. Oh, wait. You're already in bed. But you should be in your real bed. You're in a chair. Alright. Good night.